Today, we will show you how to cook cheesy mashed potato using Saladmaster saucepan and perforated basket. Clean the white potatoes and slice thinly.
Prepare the grated cheddar cheese. Pour 2 cups of water onto the saucepan. Place the perforated basket in saucepan, followed by the potatoes, then cover. Turn the hob to medium heat. When the Vapo-valve begins to click steadily, turn the heat to low setting. Wait for 25 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. Add the cheddar cheese and wait for 2 minutes until the cheese melts. Then, turn off the hob. Mix well.
Transfer to serving dish. There you go, our cheesy mashed potatoes, the Saladmaster way. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe both below. See you again in our next video.